Shenzhen Aohua Electric Corporation Limited was established in 2010. A professional manufacturer specialized in the research, development, and production of waterproof connector. We are located in Shenzhen with 3,000 square meters cover area and over 100 employees, have set up research and development department, cable department, mold department, hardware department. Our company has passed the authentication of ISO 9001-2008 Quality Management System and ISO 14001-2004 Environmental Management. Our products have got the certificate of UL, TUV, SAA, CCC, CQC, CE, IP, RoHS. Widely applied in LED lighting, electrical equipment, automation facilities, medical devices. We have gained a global sales network reaching Asia, Africa, United States, Europe markets. We provide OEM and ODM customized service. As long as you have an idea, we will study and develop that to be an existing product for you. And we also provide professional pre-sale and after-sales service. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a custom order, please feel free to contact us. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationships with new clients around the world in the near future.